JT here with New England Auto and Truck, parting out a 2010 Chrysler Town Country, stock number N01463. Has 109,000 miles on it. As you can tell, the engine is running great on here. A little bit of front end damage here, as you can see. However, grille is in good shape. Bumper cover up front is not, however, the rebar underneath is. Got 3 good wheels here. About a half hour of damage to the finish of the wheel on 3 of them. Other than that, good shape. Left front fender here, about 2 hours of damage on it, about 1 hour of dent and about an hour of rust. Mirror right there on the left side is in good shape, as is the left front door. It's a 000. Left rear door here, manual sliding, fixed window, about a half hour of parking lot dings on it. Other than that, it's in great shape. Quarter panel here is a no-go, rusted out underneath. Quarter glass up there, however, is in good shape. 2 great looking taillights back here, left hand and right hand over there. Lid gate, about hour and a half of dent damage on there, but it is complete with the hinges and the spoiler up top. Rear bumper cover, no good, however, the rear bar underneath, great shape. Moving up the right side here, right side quarter panel, about a half hour of scratches on it. Other than that, in good shape. Half hour parking lot dings here on the right rear door as well. And then right front of the vehicle is pretty damaged, as you can see. Engine's running great. And the knee on the left front of the vehicle is complete with the control arm, spindle, and strut. Moving to the interior of the vehicle here. Rev the engine a couple times for you. Engine's running smooth. Give you a look at some of the dash components here. Looking good. A couple of nice looking front seats, as well as the trim panels up here. Rear seats here also in good shape. Stow and go. And like I said, that is a 2010 Chrysler Town & Country, stock number N01463, 109K. If you have any questions, give our sales guys a call.